Are you on Streamlabs desktop and your voice or microphone voice is not recording properly? So what you need to do, you need to go to this microphone option, just press on this settings option and click on properties. So these are the settings which I have done, which I will show you. So first of all, you need to go to the source, and from here you can see microphone is there, microphone is turned on, and device wise you need to turn off. So if you have device or system voice, you need to turn off. You can see microphone, all three microphone are showing. There is no system sound. So just go to the global setting. From here you need to scroll down, and you can see I have selected mic device 1, and it is selected microphone. From here you can select the second one from here, and in device 2 again you can see second one, microphone high definition audio device, and third one as well, this microphone. So there is no system sound here, and I need to disable this thing, disable Windows audio ducking. So I have disabled it, so make sure to keep on disabling it. These are the settings which I have done, and before it was not working, and now it is working fine. And audio monitoring should be default. So you can select headphone, no speaker, no sound. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it, and make sure to check all the settings and select microphone everywhere. So I hope friends it will work for you, and you will be able to record screen using this Streamlabs desktop. And if you face any problem, you can comment below and I will make sure to give you a reply. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.